In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create standard operating procedures in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent place to create, store, and manage your SOPs so your team can find and follow them without confusion. Start by creating a new page in Notion. When the layout options appear, choose either table or gallery as your database view. Table is great if you want a spreadsheet-like list with rows and columns for quick scanning. Gallery works well if you prefer card-style entries with visuals front and center. Whichever you pick, name the database SOP library. So it's clear, this is your single source of truth. Next, add the key properties that make SOPs searchable and trackable. Create a status property as a select field and add the options draft. Needs review, approved, and active. These stages help everyone understand where each SOP stands in its lifecycle. Add an owner or responsible property using the person type, so it's obvious who maintains the document. Include a department property as a select field to categorize OPs by team. Finally, add a last updated property using last edited time. This auto-updates and lets readers know how current the content is. Consistent property values are essential for sorting and grouping later, so keep the naming tidy. To standardize how every SOP is written, click the small arrow next to the blue New button and choose Plus New Template. Give your template a clear name and lay out the structure you want every SOP to follow. Include sections like purpose to explain why the process exists, steps to walk through the actions in order, and resources to link to tools, files, or reference materials. Setting this up now saves time and ensures consistency as your library grows. When writing each SOP, format it for clarity. Use H2 and H3 headings for steps and sub-steps, so readers can skim and navigate easily. Add call-out blocks to highlight warnings, tips, or compliance notes that must not be missed. For richer guidance, embed a Loom video or add screenshots right where they're needed. In Notion, you can paste a Loom link to embed it, or drag in images to show exactly what to click. As your library expands, organize it for quick access. Group the database by department if teams browse their own procedures, or group by status to focus on what needs review versus what's ready to use. This simple setup makes it easy to maintain momentum and keep everything current. Thanks for watching.